What's going
What's going
here?
on here?
Which way are you going?
Go ahead, start it, Jeremy.
You go that way, Jeremy.
You say the answer.
And you give this to me when you pass through the tunnel. Okay?
It'll be a token.
Don't hit the Christmas tree.
Katie?
Where is she?
After the cats.
Here it comes!
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. I'll give it to you next time. You get it when you come by next time.
Katie likes playing,
Katie.
Katie likes
Now, when
playing
he comes
Jazzle.
by-
She likes playing the lady that's tied to the tracks, you know?
When he comes by, you and I each will give him one. You hold one and give it to him one. When he goes by, here, hold it. Here, give him one. Another one. Look, give it back to us. When you come by next time, will you give us one, Captain?
Oh, there's a problem on the track here. What's happened? Oh, there's a cat stuck on the track. We're waiting for this cat to get out of the way.
And there's a little girl stuck on this track.
Oh dear, all kinds.
There's a real cat on that track.
Have to get the crane.
Katie.
Katie, here.
Okay. Signal
Ready?
up.
Well, let me help you get off the track, Katie. Katie, the train is coming. Let me help you off.
I'm sorry, Barb. I got you. Just a minute. Just a minute, dear. Hold on one second. That's crane.
What's going on there?
Oh, emergency. You gotta stop.
Oh, I gotta help her.
Oh, that is adorable, huh?
Good driving, huh? You saved her.
What, Katie?
No,
Katie? Katie?
Did you sing Fair Lizzie and dance? Can you do some dancing? How about, can you sing your ABC song? You tired? Is everything all right?
Katie, wave goodbye.
Bye-bye.